Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 3x squared. So because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. S squared dx we change for this one. So the integration of this one that is about u to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. This one that is about 4 over 3. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.